Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is GK Western and today I'm going to present a quick unboxing of Intel solid state drive 750 series. So let's start beginning without wasting time.
So this is the basic packaging of Intel solid state drive. It contains a driver CD, documentation, and half height PCIe bracket. And the drive itself. As far as its performance is concerned, its sequential reading speed is up to 2100 MB per second and its sequential writing speed is up to 800 MB per second.
So guys, this was the quick unboxing of Intel solid state drive 750 series. I hope you like this video. Please press the like button if you did so and press the notification bell on the side given below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest notification. It really motivates me to make such new videos. Thank you for watching.